Here I have brought here new topic, new video for you. This is the topic actually very interesting. So let's see here what is the topic of the day. Hello viewers, all of you here. Welcome to my YouTube channel Paramount English Study with Rajan sir. Now we shall discuss here set. Actually I had told you that I will complete here several sets for your exam, PGT English and TGT English, and it may be also beneficial for your higher education in your NET exam, JRF exam or in लोक सेवा आयोग और उच्चतर शिक्षा आयोग in English for assistant professor. The questions may be useful. So we shall study here authors and their works. Set number 1. In Coriolanus was publicly killed by Aufidius. Shakespeare's Cymbeline was probably written in the early months of the year 1611. Which one of the following was put on to celebrate the marriage of Princess Elizabeth and the Elector Palatine in 1612 and 13? Answer is The Winter's Tale. Question number 4. Which play of Shakespeare was included in the wedding celebration for the Princess Elizabeth? The Tempest. The Tempest was probably written in the year 1611. Which one is considered to be the last play of Shakespeare? Henry VIII. Henry V was composed in the year 1598. Sallust, P.B. Sallust, The Witch of Atlas, which was written in 1820, was published in 1824. In style and structure, which poem of Keats is modelled on Paradise Lost? Answer you know. Hyperion. Peterloo Massacre took place in 1819. Peninsular was began in 1808. Which one of the following is considered to be the last tragedy of Shakespeare? Coriolanus. Coriolanus was probably written in the year 1608. Prince of Tyre is the subtitle of Shakespeare plays. All of you know here very well. Pericles. Pericles probably came out in the year 1609. In The Winter's Tale, Perdita is finally married to Florizel. Perdita is the daughter of Leontes. Shelley's Ariel to Miranda was inspired by Shakespeare's play The Tempest. Shelley's The Sensei is all of you know very well, it is a tragedy. Who married Mary Wollstonecraft? P.B. Shelley. This marriage. Next question. The Great Ode Dejection 1802 was written by Samuel Taylor Coleridge. Who said, if winter comes, can spring be far behind? P.B. Shelley. Who said, first in beauty shall be first in might? John Keats. In Coriolanus, Aufidius is a general. Volscian. Alfred Tennyson died with a copy of Shakespeare's play on the coverlet of his bed. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है ये. अल्फ्रेड लॉर्ड टेनिसन की जब मृत्यु हुई थी तो उस समय उनके उस बेड पर कवरलेट पर कौन सा शेक्सपियर का प्ले की कॉपी रखी थी? आंसर इज सिम्बेलिन. गुड. Who defined criticism as the commentation and exposition of works of art by means of written words? T.S. Eliot. Who is the husband of Hermione in Shakespeare's The Winter's Tale? Leontes. Leontes is the king of Sisley. Milton's Comus was inspired by The Tempest. Who said that Tempest plan is regular? Johnson. Who says a thing of beauty is a joy forever? John Keats. In which poem of Keats the above line appear? Endymion. Shakespeare was influenced by the book Political Justice. Keats died in 1821 and Shelley died in 1822. Robert Southey and Coleridge died in the same year, that is 1834. Which play of Shakespeare has North's version of Plutarch's life of Caius Marcius Coriolanus as its source? Answer is Coriolanus. In Shakespearean's romances, Pericles, who acted as the chorus throughout the play? Gower. Who speaks the following line in the Shakespeare's play Cymbeline? बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट लाइन है ये. Hang there like fruit my soul till the tree die. Posthumus. Who considers the above lines as the tenderest line in Shakespeare? It is very important. Who considers the above lines as the tenderest line in Shakespeare? Tennyson. In which play of Shakespeare the song When Daffodils Begin to Appear is there? The Winter's Tale. Addons. The Sea and the Mirror was inspired by Shakespeare's play The Tempest. Which poem was contributed by Shakespeare to Robert Chester's Love's Martyr? Answer is The Phoenix and the Turtle. It was published in 1601. Shelley's O Word, O Life, O Time is a lyric. Which one of the following works of Keats is a story of the elopement of two lovers? Lamia. Which one of the following is a comedy? The Sensei, The Borders, Otho the Great. None of these. Here answer will be none of these. Next is To Autumn is a poem by John Keats. Who wrote the following lines? The desire of the moth for the star, of the night for the morrow, the devotion to something afar, from the sphere of our borrow. It is quoted by this line by P.B. Shelley. Coriolanus is the surname of Caius Marcius. What is the name of the wife of Pericles in Shakespeare's play Pericles? Answer is Thassa. Thassa. Thaisa. Thassa. So first set is over. Now we shall study here second set in next video. Okay, thanks. I have seen this video completely and thoroughly. I hope all of you will like this video. So thanks for watching.